Any guidance provided by DCH related to the completion of income tax withholding forms should not be considered professional tax or legal advice. If you have questions or concerns, you should consult a tax professional. It is important that you complete tax withholding forms as accurately as possible to ensure that the proper amount is withheld from your wages. Failure to have the correct amount withheld may result in additional taxes and penalties at the time you file your income taxes as required by law. Be sure to review your first few pay stubs closely to be sure that your withholdings are as you want them to be. You may adjust your withholdings at any time by completing new withholding forms. In line A, please enter your full name. Line B, please enter your Social Security number. Line C, enter your home address. Line D, enter the city you live in. Line E, enter the state you live in. Line F, enter the zip code you live in. Line G and H, you will skip. Note, you will not have an answer in every line below. You will only complete the lines which pertain to your particular situation. In blank J, if you are claiming no personal exemption throughout the year, which means you aren't claiming yourself, you aren't claiming your spouse, nor you're claiming any dependents, you will put a 0 in line 1 and you are done with the form. You will not mark any other lines. If you mark 0, you are ready to e-sign the document. If you do not put a 0 in line 1, you will move to the next blank. In blank K, if you did not put a 0 in line 1, you will either have an answer in line 2 or 3. Please note, you will not have an answer in both line 2 and 3. You will only have an answer in one of those blanks. In lines 2 and 3 is where you claim yourself and your spouse. If you are claiming single, you will enter an S in line 2. If you are claiming married filing separately, you will enter an MS in line 2. If neither situation applies to you, you will move to line 3. Blank L is line 3. If you entered a letter in line 2, you will not have an answer in line 3, and you will move to line 4. If you didn't have an answer in lines 1 or 2, you will enter an answer in line 3. In line 3, if you are claiming married, you will put an M in line 3. If you are claiming single, head of family, you will enter an H in line 3. After you have completed lines 2 or 3, please move to line 4. M, or line 4, is how you claim the number of dependents. This is normally a number between 0 and 9. You will enter the total number of allowances you are claiming during the year. For the definition on dependents, please see the computer screen above the tax form you are completing. Line 5, or N. On line 5, if you wish to have an additional dollar amount deducted from your paycheck in addition to the amount already deducted by your elections, you will enter the dollar amount you wish deducted. Please note, this is an optional deduction and you do not have to complete line 5.